Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by installing ulib and ulx into extradordinary/add-ons. That gives the server the core commands and permission system. Once done, restart the server or run change level to force the files to load, and open the server console to confirm both ulib and ulx messages appear. Make sure you run the exact matching versions to avoid conflicts, and note that file paths and case sensitivity matter. This ensures ulx is ready before you proceed to configuration. You now set up groups and permissions so admins and moderators can act properly. Start by creating groups and adding users via Ulx add group and Ulx adducer, then assign specific commands with Ulx allow or Ulx deny. Group allow is useful for granting many members a command at once. Once comfortable, edit data/Ulx/groups. TXT to persist changes and to fine-tune flags. Make sure to test permissions by impersonating an account or using a dummy slot. You finish by using ulx commands for daily admin tasks. Ulx ban for persistent bans, Ulx slay or Ulx kick for immediate action, Ulx bring and Ulx jail for player control. If a command fails, check server console and GMod/logs for errors, then verify that plugin order or other add-ons aren't conflicting. If problems persist, stop the server, reinstall matching ulib and Ulx versions, and retest. This single troubleshooting step resolves most permission and command load issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.